Hello, in this video we'll see in detail about Boxcutter addon. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Log into creativepark.co.in to download latest Boxcutter addon for free. Creative Park. Expect the unexpected. Download link is given below in the description. Select the zip file from Install Addon in Blender Preferences. Boxcutter addon, used for concept design, utilizing on-screen drawing. You can find the Boxcutter addon in left toolbar in viewport. And also you can see Boxcutter addon with lots of menus in top toolbar. Press N, you can see the addon in view 3D panel. Activate Boxcutter by hitting hotkey, Alt+W, or by clicking the Boxcutter icon in left toolbar. To start using Boxcutter, left click on selected surface and drag, release the mouse and drag once more for the depth. To draw perfect square or rectangle shapes, hold the shift key to make the sides even. By holding the Alt key, you can drag the selection from center of cursor. Click again to execute the operation. Let's see in detail about different operations in the menu. Press B to bevel tool. Drag with left mouse button, click again to extrude the depth. Scroll the middle mouse to increase the segments, and double click to execute the operation. Press X for slice tool. When you activate slice operation, you can see the color changes from red to yellow, which highlights the slice operation. Click the left mouse drag and press X for slice option. Next we'll see offset and extrude. Press O to offset the top of the box, and E to offset in bottom of the box. Press Z to insert operation. Purple color highlights the insert operation. Press J to joint operation. Green color highlights the joint operation. This is similar to union operation tool. Press K for knife tool. The light blue color highlights the knife operation. You can only see the cut in edit mode. Press T for solidify tool. Solidify operation adds thickness to the cut. Press A to make or create a new mesh and does not affect the actual mesh. Press Y to extract. This tool allows to copy multiple cuts. When you are done with cuts, drag selection and press Y to copy the cuts. Now drag over any part of surface to copy the cuts. Press V for array tool. It creates array for the cut. By scrolling the middle mouse button, you can increase or decrease the count of arrays. Press Tab to lock the cutter shape. You can modify the cut shape with any tools in Boxcutter property panel. Another important tool is holding the shift while drawing the shape. It allows the influence object visible. You can also adjust the influence object in edit mode. The hotkey for the Boxcutter is D. A pie menu appears. You can access all property panel in Boxcutter addon. Ctrl+D is hotkey for changing the mode and operation panel. You can change cutter selection from cube to circle. By scrolling the middle mouse, you can increase the segments. You can also draw shapes using N-gon tool from shape property panel. By default, Boxcutter addon is non-destructive behavior. Which means modifiers will not be applied. By clicking the Apply Modifier button, you can apply all modifiers to selected mesh. In destructive behavior, the modifiers are applied automatically. Thank you. See you soon another addon tutorial. Subscribe, hit the notification bell.